Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install and configure properly the contest feature of the project theme from SiteMile. So this is the theme that we will be using. It's called the freelancer theme, and it comes with a contest feature. If you want to get this theme and all its extensions, you can get it from sitemile.com, and you simply join the membership. You can get yearly access or lifetime access. It's quite simple and popular. So let's get started. I have here an empty WordPress installation. I'm doing this locally, but it can be done even on an online website. Let's go to the login first. This is the bare bone installation of WordPress, latest version, as if today. First, we are going to install the theme. Usually, whenever you purchase the theme, you get a zip file. So I have the zip file right here. Let's find it. So I'm installing the latest version right now. I just click on install. It only takes a second here. I activate the theme, and right now I should be able to see the site. Okay, so here is the website. It's complaining that we don't have a license, so let's get the license key and put it in the theme itself. This is the license key that we will be using. Should be okay right now, hopefully. Okay, so we are good. Okay, so this is how the theme looks by default. It's quite empty, it doesn't have anything. So first we will be adding some categories and stuff. Let's add some locations too. This theme can also be used with locations enabled, or you can disable them. Also, we want to add some pricing options here. We have many configured options here, and we want to make it as light as possible for this test. Next, we will be using the plugin, the contest plugin, called also the extension. You get the extension whenever you buy any membership, either it's the yearly membership or the lifetime access. So you always get the latest version with the lifetime access. Obviously, with the yearly, you have to renew each year. Okay, so now you see we have the contest feature here. Let's add some categories. Okay, I think right now we can go in the front end. Let's add some cash balance to the user that we're using to test. We go to user balances, because this theme comes with internal wallets too. usually the users can deposit money in the system. Also the menu at the top isn't configured. This can also be fixed by importing the demo content that comes with the theme itself. So right now we can see the contests feature appearing here. The search feature is here. Right now we don't have any contest, but this will change. Let's post a new contest here. Also, this template is configurable from the admin. Let's do that now because it's annoying. And through this you can also see how you can configure these settings, because there are quite a lot. So we go on page templates. We go with a solid background. So here is a color picker and you can choose whatever color you want. Let's see if it changes. Yep, it's all good. So right now we will post a contest. So we will give out an estimation for $150, whatever. We can attach a design sample. Let's add some dummy text as well. I think we should close a few programs here because okay, we will take some dummy text from here. We will post a new contest. Okay, if I want to guarantee delivery, I have to pay right whenever I publish the contest to the site. Let's make it featured. I don't think I have set any fees for the featured fees. Okay, so I have to pay the whole budget. I can pay by PayPal, by Stripe, or by balance. Right now I will do by the internal balance because it lets us test quite fast. Okay, I have posted the project, so hopefully the contest is live here. Okay, so now I'm waiting for basically for freelancers to post bids to my contest, to post like designs actually, and from there I can choose the best one I want, or make them submit multiple designs. Right now let's add a freelancer user so we can test. Okay, let's make it a service provider because that's the role, the user role inside the team. We don't want to remember the password. Let's log out from the admin. Okay, and let's log in as the freelancer. The password is wrong. Let's see. Okay, let's do a search. Okay, so I see the contest. I see the budget is 450. I can see the description. I can view the contest. Let's see what details are inside the contest. I can see that the payment is guaranteed, so that means the customer, the owner, has actually paid the balance for the project. So if I do this project as a freelancer, if I'm picked as a winner to this contest, then I'm sure I will get paid. If the payment wasn't guaranteed, then you would have to ask the customer to deposit an escrow, which the theme comes with. But right now isn't necessary, so I can do the design, I can read the description. Right now I'm at submission area, so I would ask for $2,500. Okay, I can write a message to this user. Either I can post a preview link, or I can attach an image to the let's maybe attach an image. This image. I'm going to submit my design, and it's done. Okay, now I would go to the count area. Right now the menu isn't set, but I can just type my count. And I can see the design I submitted right here, and I also can message to the customer. So if I want to, I don't know, ask some more stuff, or maybe if the customer wants to contact me, okay, let's see if it works. Okay, so I have sent a message to the customer, and right now I can log out. Normally this admin part can be hidden, so if you are going to use this into production, there are plugins to hide that area. Let's log back in as the customer, well, as the admin, because I've used the admin account, but a customer account would behave exactly the same. So right now I can see that someone submitted a design to my contest. Also, I can see the contests area here. I can view the contest. I can see that I have a new message for my contest. Also, this freelancer thinks that he can do the project. And now I can message him back. Okay, and probably I could pick him since he's the only one that submitted the design. I can hire him. Also, if I have like hundreds of submissions or whatever, I can mute. So if I don't like a design at all, I can mute, and then I won't receive any more messages from this freelancer, or and that way I can sort better the designers I like. So I'm going to pick this freelancer. The price code is $2,500, and now he is the winner for my contest, and he will get an email, and the work begins. I can track everything from my admin area, my dashboard area. So I have here in pending. I need to check out wherever the pending area is. But yeah, now the project starts, and I'm waiting for the freelancer to finish, and whenever he finishes I will get a notification. Then I can check the design, and the system will provide me a way to mark it as delivered, and then the money, since I already paid at first when posting the contest, will go to the finance area of the freelancer, and from there he can withdraw, use it for whatever he wants, like post a new project of himself. But usually the freelancers will want to request a withdrawal from here, then the admin will get the notification and process the withdrawal. If it's by PayPal, then it's automatic, but the theme comes with other payment methods. So this was the presentation of the contest feature of the project theme from SiteMile. If you have any questions, I have left a link to the contact page of our website into the description. And yeah, thank you. Bye.